One of the easiest fish to purchase directly from fishermen in Oregon is albacore tuna. Albacore are fished from July to October, though the actual dates vary depending on changes in their migration patterns from year to year. Tuna are caught near the surface using hook and line fishing. This means that each fish is caught individually, so fishermen can ensure there is no bycatch in their industry. Even when they are not currently being fished, albacore can be purchased flash frozen or canned year-round. Albacore typically costs between $2.50 and $10 per pound. Specific costs depend on how they are prepared and current supply. If you would like to buy tuna directly from a fisherman, check out our Oregon Sea Grant video that goes through tips and tricks of purchasing tuna on the docks, or attend our Shop at the Docks tour. Links to both can be found below. Tuna is great for grilling, canning, or eating raw. When preparing raw dishes, such as poke, make sure to use flash frozen tuna that has killed any possible parasites. Canned Oregon tuna can be purchased along the coast or online and shipped to you. If you want, you can even can your own tuna. Lastly, tuna can be smoked to add flavor for preservation. There are links below for tuna canning or smoking instructions. If you are interested in specific recipes, check out the Eat Oregon Seafood website.